to Adom Home Cooking. Today we are preparing lasagna. These are the ingredients for preparing lasagna, Adom Home Cooking style. So this is my lasagna seeds. It's like this in a box. They have it in different packages. You can get it from any shop where they sell pasta or spaghetti stuff. This is my lasagna sauce, creamy sauce. If you don't have this sauce already made, you can prepare it yourself by using self-raising flour or plain flour just to make the sauce. This is my cheese, mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. I like combining two cheese, so you can decide to use only cheddar cheese or the mozzarella cheese. I also have my minced beef stew here, which is already prepared. Minced beef stew. So all I'm going to do is I'll get my dish, my oven dish, any dish that you can cook in the oven, that can go in the oven. So I'm going to start by putting some of my minced beef stew at the bottom of the dish. You spread it. So you spread your stew at the bottom of it, and then you lay the pasta on top, the flat pasta. You lay it on top like that. You make layers on top. Now I'm just going to break one just to cover up the extra spaces. And then this one I'm going to pour it's already made lasagna sauce. I'll just pour it straight from the bottle onto my pasta. Use the spoon to spread it, because the sauce is going to help moisten the pasta to cook. And then after that I'm going to put more of the stew. So you make layers. You keep doing these layers until your dish is full. So I made another layer and I'm going to put some cheese. It's easier to get grated cheese. This one, because I already have some cheddar cheese in my fridge, that's why I'm using the sliced one. It's better if you use the grated cheese to make it easier. So you make layers. You make sure you make layers with all that. See? Mozzarella cheese. And it's grated, so this one is easy. I'll just sprinkle it. And then I'll put more of the pasta on top. Make more layers. And then I'll put my sauce, my lasagna sauce. The pasta is finished, so I'm just adding the pieces of it, the bits of it from the box. So here you go. You cover it with the sauce again, and then the remaining of your stew, your minced beef stew. And you spread it well. See? So this is my last layer now. I'm going to continue to put more cheese now. This is my cheddar cheese. And I'm going to cook this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, but be careful you don't burn it. So I continue to put my cheese. This is my cheddar cheese, and then I sprinkle with the grated mozzarella cheese. So this is my lasagna ready to go in the oven. The oven is already heated, so I'm going to put it in the oven. Now our lasagna is ready. It's piping hot. This Adom home cooking special lasagna. Enjoy. Can be served as dinner, lunch, anyhow you want it. See, it's all cooked through. Enjoy.